Hello everybody, my name is Alex Pabloski and this is my Right to Repair impact analysis for the ALC 422 class. The overview. The goal of my campaign and many organizations such as the Repair Association is to allow farmers to modify and repair their own equipment without spending a fortune or being forced to go to a dealership in order for their equipment to be repaired. While they are allowed to repair their own equipment, some companies have made their diagnostic equipment unavailable or unaffordable. The goal is to put legislation into place to give the right back to the farmer in terms of where their equipment is repaired post-purchase. In this impact analysis, I will look back at the goals of this campaign and assess if they are met or not. Goal number 1. The first goal of this campaign was to unlock diagnostic codes and equipment to farmers in order to allow them to diagnose broken equipment and make proper repairs to them. Assessment strategy. In order to assess progress for this goal, this campaign must monitor statements made from companies on when diagnostics will be available to the public. With only a handful of companies allowing access to their diagnostic files, we hope to see an increase of agricultural companies implementing brand transparency with their customers. Progress. So far, not much legislation has been passed making these diagnostic codes mandatory to customers, but there are companies now that offer aftermarket diagnostic softwares for common equipment manufacturers. Also, according to an article written by Todd Neely at the end of 2021, there had been over 32 states with proposed legislation. Goal number 2, technology accessibility. For goal number 2, my campaign hopes to be able to make technology more accessible to our farmers. While the technology gets more advanced, our farmers are also getting older. The average age of an American farmer is 57 years old. Many people that age already struggle adapting to cell phones, let alone million-dollar high-tech farm equipment. Assessment strategy. We can track the progress of making technology accessible by seeing how many different resources are available to these farmers. Progress. The issue of technology and age difference is not something new in the farming industry. This topic is watched very closely by many organizations. While the advancement in technology is a great thing, having too many options and new platforms can be very overwhelming for these farmers that are trying to learn or purchase this new technology. Since the technology outbreak in the last 20 years, there have been many new teaching advancements or programs to get younger and new farmers excited about the farming industry, such as courses like AGTM at the U of A. And AGTM is Agricultural Technologies Management and Maintenance. Goal number 3, design for the future. This goal is actually an umbrella goal. What that means is it is a goal that covers all the other goals in this campaign. The overall goal of this campaign is to set up our future farmers and make the industry as appealing to anyone who is considering joining the farming world. Assessment strategy. To assess this goal, we can use the previous 2 assessment strategies in order to make sure this goal is successful. This is achieved by observing and staying informed on new technology, teaching resources, and new policies or legislation regarding equipment or farming rights. Progress. Overall, my campaign believes the industry is taking steps in the right direction. With great effort from organizations like the Repair Association, legislation is making it to the Senate floor and beginning to make an impact for our farmers. Also, many institutions across the country, like the University of Arizona, are offering teaching programs for the agricultural industry to incoming students. Thank you. With the help of the general public, this campaign and other foundations hope to broaden your view of the agricultural industry. Please look at the next slide for resources used on this assignment and places to continue your research. Also, if you're interested, you can watch the public service announcement for this campaign on YouTube at the link below. Here are the resources used in this assignment, and some other resources that are good are the Repair Association, Farm Foundation, and John Deere.